Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another episode of Live Trade in the Stock Market here on Bob Squared Finance. My name is Bobby. I'm your personal trader. You can follow along on my journey here as we're trading out of my personal portfolio on Robinhood here. I do live trade the stock market here every single trading day. I do have a vlog as well. Look for season 2 to be dropping here shortly. That will be really interesting for you guys to check out. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Hit that subscribe button. That supports this content, helps me out so much here. I appreciate that. If you can go ahead and help me out. I do have daily content coming your way, so this is just a free resource. I'm here to educate and entertain you about the stock market, about investing, about your business, about finance. I've got a whole lot going on. I've got a whole lot coming at you. Go ahead and hit that like button for me if you enjoy this video. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, do leave those in the comment section down below. Love hearing from you guys. You're why I'm out here. Definitely hope to help you on your journey in the stock market here. If you're new to Robinhood or if you're a long-time trader, I hope to give you some insights, some tips, and strategies on how you can be a little bit better trader. So that's what I'm here for. So go ahead and, like I said, hit subscribe if you haven't already. It is Thursday, July 26th today, 2018. We did show a little bit of a profit yesterday for the first time in a while. It looks like so far we're going to be looking pretty good as far as turning a little bit of a profit here today. So we'll see how that plays out. We should hopefully start our comeback trail. You guys follow along with me as I trade every single day. Keep track of me, keep that accountability, and we'll see if we can't grow this portfolio back up to where I had it, and then we'll see some major gains even from there. So you guys stay tuned. Let's get trading. All right. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Myself there. We are trading here. It is the opening bell. We have the opening bell for Thursday, July 26th, 2018. This is Bobby. I'm your personal trader. I'm also the broke trader. If you're keeping track of my vlog right here on this same channel, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. This is our portfolio. We are heavy in CRISPR and in GoPro and in Snapchat. We have substantially smaller positions in PBI, in Elf Cosmetics, in Blue Apron, all of which we purchased here on the channel here. We did get those into the fold here live on Live Trade in the Stock Market on Bob Squared Finance. Rounding out the portfolio are the two other gene editing technology companies, Editas and Intellia. Because of our skew towards gene editing, one of our viewers suggested Rubius Therapeutics to us. RUBY is the ticker there. So we've got that on our watch list. We have set a goal of getting that under 20, and then, a little bit more realistic of a goal of getting it for less than what the IPO purchasers got it at. So we'll see if we can't get that into the portfolio as well. That'll make this a little bit more of a viewer's portfolio, which I think would just be awesome for the channel. So we'll see if we can't make that happen. I sure would like to get a good deal on that. It's trading 24.5 right now, so we'll keep our eye on it. We'll also be looking here at PBI. It's going to have another good day. It's going to get closer and closer to our basis point there. We're just about to be in the green on that stock. We've got GoPro trading really well for us. We are well above our basis point. We're happy with that stock for sure. Blue Apron is going to continue to bottom out right there in the low threes, and we'll watch and see if that doesn't creep down to the $2.75 range, and we may be tempted to buy a few more there. We're going to hold on PBI. We are going to hold on ELF. We don't want to get any more into ELF, I don't think, until it starts to have a little bit of a catalyst for change that we can kind of get our hands on. So Editas and Intellia are pretty much going to stick around. We have great bases, if that's a word, on both of those. CRISPR sticking around. I've got a $17 average on CRISPR. Snap, I'm long on Snap. I wouldn't be surprised to see myself scrape off a couple of Snap shares if it really starts to go on a big tear and I get way up in Snap. But for the long term, I know I'll be holding Snap. I'm really happy with that stock as a long-term play. If you would like to hear some more insights on that, I do have a video that's kind of dedicated to Snap and my prospecting on Snap and kind of my rationale there. If you'd like to go check that out, I believe it's actually pinned to my channel for returning subscribers. So if you'd like to go ahead and subscribe, that'll be your welcoming video there, and you can watch that and see why I'm long on Snap. You won't see me day trading on this channel. You won't see me dealing in any penny stocks. I am a very patient, careful investor. I look to buy in a Fibonacci ratio, buy my way down on stocks as they fall. I tend to try to, buy quality companies that have, a beat up stock and consolidate in, get the best average possible, and then ride it all the way up and sell off shares and scrape profits, when it suits my portfolio's needs. So it's a little bit into my strategy here, my manifesto, if you will. I do violate some of those rules once in a while. Some of our longtime viewers will have seen me do that here once or twice in order to kind of, either go off on a whim or, go after a stock that I really believe in, like Snapchat here. So keep your eyes glued to this channel. We've got daily content coming for you. I do live trade the stock market. I'll have a video coming out for you on the stock market every single trading day. I've got a vlog. I'm starting season 2 right now. Do look forward to that. So that is called The Broke Trader. Broke Trader season 2 is going to be dropping real soon. So hit subscribe, like I said, if you haven't already. Hit that like button for me. Let me know what you think down in the comment section down below. We're going to try to swing a trade for Snap. We did see it dip down into a really nice buy for us, and I don't think we're going to be able to get that on board here, so I do regret kind of missing that opportunity there for sure. We have just enough liquidity to have been able to make that happen. I could still buy it, but I'm not in any big hurry. I've got 12 shares there. I think a bargain will present itself a little bit later in the week on Snap. So we'll keep our eyes on it. We'll see what happens. Ruby is actually trading down to just below the IPO price at the very moment. Is at $23.50. I am super tempted to buy it right there, but I'm gonna lurk. I'm gonna stay patient. I'm gonna see if I can't get it for 20 or less. See if a little bit more of that profit scraping doesn't happen. I could also see the logic in going ahead and getting that deal, beating that IPO price. But, man, I'm going to wait. I'm going to see if that doesn't pay off for us and see if we can't get a better deal on that. So we will probably look to make a swing at Ruby tomorrow if it does continue to drop down for us and get a little closer to an acceptable buying range. We'll see what some of these stocks do for us. It may be time, it may be getting close to time to scrape some profits on GoPro. We do have a ton of shares to be able to have some flexibility there. I'd like to clear the way and see what happens. I certainly don't want to be too greedy and wait a little bit too long and watch it fall back down on us, but I would feel a little bit more comfortable waiting until the 10 to 15% up. Let me make that make more sense. Being 10 to 15% up in that stock, GoPro, before I really start to unload anything. I'll probably be looking to maybe squeeze out 3 shares, but I'd like to sell them in more like the 7.5 range if I could. That will be the closing bell for today, ladies and gentlemen. It has been a pleasure trading with you. Thank you so much for trading along with me. This is Bobby. This is Bob Squared Finance. Subscribe if you haven't already. Smash that like button. Leave your questions, comments, answers, sarcastic remarks in the comment section down below. Thanks for tuning in. You have it, ladies and gentlemen. That will be Thursday. We're not going to do anything too crazy. We're going to hold our position, see what Friday has in store for us. Some of my longtime viewers will know that we love Friday around here. We do tend to catch our best bargains on Friday, so we'll see what happens. We're going to put that money to work on Friday. We've got about $13 in liquidity. We're probably going to see if GoPro doesn't go on a little bit of a run. If we can't get about 10% up in that stock, we're going to sell off 3 shares. We're going to clear that liquidity away. We're going to see if we can't find some flexibility elsewhere in the portfolio, and we're going to try to make some swings. The market is still trading really low. We're going to try to take advantage of that the best that we can. So that's what it's all about. I said it before, if you're missing these opportunities, if your money isn't in play, that's opportunity cost going down the drain. This is the time to get in. It's never too early, it's never too late to start and establish a basis point on a stock. Like I always say, it can either go up or down. If it goes up, you hold the stock. If it goes down, you wait a certain amount of time and then you buy one more in your Fibonacci ratio. So systematize it, guys. Keep me on your subscribe list, if you will. I do have daily content coming at you every single trading day. Every time the stock market is traded, folks, I am going to have some kind of commentary. I'm going to have something to say about it. You're going to have a glimpse into my portfolio. So keep your eyes glued to Bob Squared Finance. I got some gaming videos coming your way. If you're a gamer, I got Twitch. I got twitch.tv/Bob Squared Gaming. Find me on Twitch. Hit that follow button for me. So, no matter what you're into, business, finance, gaming, cooperation, community, I'm here for you. That's what I'm all about. That's what we're here for. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks for being on this journey with me. Welcome to my office. If this is your first time, hey, tune in, buckle up. We got a wild ride for you. We'll see you tomorrow, okay? It's Friday.